Hey guys, Greg with BTOD.com. Today we're going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions. What is an outlet item on BTOD? So if you've had a chance to visit the site, you know we've got an outlet section. We're just going to kind of go through the process, what it is, what the returns look like, so that you can make sure that you're making an educated decision on your next purchase. Now, if you've been looking to save a bunch of money, you can actually save as much as 20% right now on most of those items. We're talking about Steelcase Leaps, Amiyas, Lumiyas, and also some accessories like cable management boxes, standing desk converters. So there's a ton of stuff on there. Our 60-day free return program is the reason for this. Now, a lot of our items do have this, so you can try the products, make sure they work for you. But in the case that they don't, then it comes back to us into our facility. So what does that process actually look like to get into this program? Well, we can't just have everything enter back in because we've got a pretty strict policy here on what can actually go as a resale or an outlet item. We want to make sure that it works as it should, right? So we actually have a really in-depth process where it comes back in. You'll see Ryan here. He's actually going to go through that. He's going to take one of these returns out of the box. He's actually going to go through, inspect, verify that all the functions do work on the chair. If for some reason something doesn't, he'll go ahead and replace and fix that with additional parts that we've got here. We also go through and actually wipe down, we vacuum, we make sure that the product is in the condition that you would expect it to be when it's shipping new or refurbished from BTOD originally. Now, of course, to keep our prices down, all sales are final on all of our outlet items. So make sure the product that you want is the one that you're selecting because, again, all sales are final. Hopefully that answers all of your questions. Of course, if you have any more, please leave them down in the comments section. Thanks a lot for watching.